Welcome to IGCSE Computer Science Algorithm Tutorial. In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to solve a totaling algorithm using pseudocode. In our previous lesson, we learned how to solve the same problem using a flowchart. And the problem is still the same: to calculate total of 10 numbers entered by the user. To start with, we initialize the total to 0 as well as the count to 0. And we start our loop while count, as long as count is less than 10. So it means that the valid counts we are going to have will be 0 to 9. And if we have 0 to 9, the expectation is that we are going to make 10 entries because 0 is included in the entry. So the first entry will be at the position of 0, the second is 1, and the 10th one is 9. So while this condition is in force, we get a number from the user and add that number to the total variable. That's the value stored in the total variable, and update the total variable. Then we add 1 to count and update our count by reassigning count plus 1 to count. And we end while. And finally, we display the output of total. Thanks for watching. See you in our next lesson.